College life can be tough, especially when you are trying to juggle studies and finances. But what if there was a way to earn extra cash without sacrificing your grades? In this video, I reveal my money-making secrets that helped me earn $1,000 in just 1 month as a college student. From online surveys to freelance work, I'll share with you the tips and tricks that worked for me, and can work for you too. Keywords: money-making, college student, online surveys, freelance work, extra cash. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you my money-making secrets that helped me earn $1,000 in just 1 month as a college student. I know how tough it can be to balance studies and finances, but trust me, it's possible to make extra cash without sacrificing your grades. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Have you ever found yourself struggling to make ends meet as a college student? Trust me, I've been there. But, I've also found that there are many ways to earn extra cash that don't require a lot of time or effort. In this video, I'll be sharing my top money-making secrets that helped me earn $1,000 in just 1 month. So, whether you are looking to pay off student debts or just treat yourself to something nice, stay tuned. 1. Online surveys. If you're looking for an easy way to make some extra cash, then online surveys are the way to go. There are many survey websites out there that pay you for your opinions. All you have to do is sign up, fill out surveys, and get paid. It may not be a lot of money, but it adds up over time. One website that I recommend is Swagbucks. They not only have surveys but also offer cash back for shopping and watching videos. 2. Selling clothes online. Another great way to make extra cash is by selling clothes online. We all have clothes lying around that we never wear, so why not make some money off of them? Websites like Depop and Poshmark allow you to sell your unwanted clothes to people who actually want them. All you have to do is take some nice photos, write a good description, and let the buyers come to you. 3. Freelance work. If you have a skill or talent that you think people would pay for, then freelance work is the way to go. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or social media management, there are many websites out there that allow you to offer your services to clients. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to start. Just make sure to set competitive prices and offer good quality work. 4. Dog walking. If you love dogs and don't mind some exercise, then dog walking is a great way to make extra cash. Many pet owners are busy during the day and need someone to walk their dogs. Offer your services on websites like Rover or Craigslist, and start making some extra cash while getting some fresh air. 5. Tutoring. If you're good at a particular subject, then tutoring is a great way to make some extra cash. Offer your services to students who need help, either in person or online. You can advertise on websites like care.com or your college bulletin board. Just make sure to set reasonable prices and provide quality tutoring. And there you have it, my top money-making secrets that helped me earn $1,000 in just 1 month as a college student. Whether it's online surveys, selling clothes, freelancing, dog walking, or tutoring, there are many ways to make extra cash. So, why not give it a try? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.